we're at the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency in Tsukuba, Japan, for a couple weeks of training on the Japanese ISS modules, Kibo, the Japanese airlock, and the Japanese robotic arm. It's spring, the cherry blossoms are out, we have a fantastic welcome. Our flags are here, the Danish flag, and is that the Dutch or the French flag?
The French flag and the Swiss flag are flying up.
I'm with Thomas again. It's nice to see you again.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you been in Canada? Long time.
Good. I had a good replacement in David, French-Canadian, almost the same.
But much better.
Of course.
Okay, I had good vacation. So now...
Oh, you had good vacation?
We can start again, working together.
And you got a sign?
I got a sign.
Congratulations.
Mission 2016. It's going to be awesome.
I guess ESA saved the best for last.
Exactly, that's what they did. Don't break the space station before I get there.
I can't guarantee anything.
Yeah, we'll see.
All right, we're in the Japanese Kibo laboratory. Thomas and I have had training for a couple days now. We're with our good friend Suichi-san. You might recognize him from C-Test, where all three of us were participating last September. Kibo is a really exciting laboratory. How about telling us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, obviously 2 years ago we were in the caves, and last year we were together in the Florida seabed, and we brought you, this is a nice place, we have a cherry blossom, and here we are in the Kibo, and this week you have lots of training, all those science racks, robotic arm, and gem airlock, and I'm pretty sure you'll have lots of fun.
Okay, and why Kibo is such a good module is that outside of the airlock, it has a whole exposed facility and a robotic arm that you can use to move payloads around or science exposed to the external atmosphere. So we're lucky to have Soichi-san here. Soichi, please tell us a little bit more about the GEM robotic arm.
Okay, obviously Thomas, you learned a lot this week. I got to ask for more, but obviously GEM has its own RMS, robotic arm, and we can use this to move the thing around the exposed facility.
And how do you control the robotic arm?
Good question. Actually, you can see our own training mock-up of GEM RMS. This is exactly what you will see inside Kibo. We have two controllers, DHC, RSC, dedicated monitors, and all those switches. You will learn it on the next week or so.
Okay.
One of my favorite things about the Kibo laboratory is that it has an airlock, which we can use to transfer payloads from the inside of the space station to the outside. And then once on the outside, we can use a Japanese robotic arm to grab the payload and install it on the exposed facility. Another thing that we often use the airlock for, and which I'll use during my mission, is to launch 3 or 4 Danish Cube satellites. I'll put the Cube satellites inside the airlock and then transfer it to the outside and then use a robotic arm to launch them into their orbits. So it should be very exciting.